Halo Lur, berjumpa lagi di vlog Rosa Gray teman. Lur, apa kabar? Hari ini saya ingin bikin video lagi dengan Kang Darman. Dan kali ini topiknya itu lain daripada yang lain ya. Kita akan membahas tentang our relationship ya. Yaitu apa yang saya lakukan ketika saya itu jengkel sama si bule ya. Intinya tuh saya tuh bakal kasih hukuman buat dia, dan hukumannya itu sangat unik sekali. Jadi ini yang bikin dia takut sama saya, akhirnya dia tuh nurut sama saya gitu ya. Tapi first at all ya, karena dia itu emang bener-bener takut kehilangan saya gitu, jadi dia apa-apa nurut. Dan ketika dia itu nggak nepatin janjinya atau dia bikin saya jengkel, saya akan kasih dia hukuman. Yuk kita simak kegokilan kita berdua. Oke, sebelum video ini saya lanjut, jangan lupa subscribe YouTube Rosa Gray teman, dan klik tombol lonceng di sebelahnya agar kalian dapat notifikasi terbaru dari video saya. Oke, today we gonna talk about our relationship. How when you didn't do your promise to me, and then maybe you purposely or you really forget, or you act to be stupid, and then you always make me angry. For example, like you promised to make a video call with me but you didn't do it, so I will give you the punishment. Oh no. Can you tell me how when I angry?
Not good.
No, tell me, maybe the expression or maybe my attitude to you. Tell them all how.
They should, your viewers should join it by themselves. It's really amazing when you're angry.
Oh no. Yeah.
So high temper.
I know how. Can you show them all how when I angry with you? Because you cheat me.
Most important is your expression. And always what the fuck? What the fuck? You make me angry. You cheat me. You forgot. You did purposely. And then I said, baby, calm down. I just slow brain forgot. I punish you. I need a handbag.
Oh no. So first at all, when I angry or you so annoyed with me or you cheat me, I will give you punishment. And the punishment is you give me shopping money or you buy me something to make me happy, to let me calm down, right? And then finally I forgive your mistake.
Yes. I can solve with money. That's good.
But luckily you always can make me happy, and whatever I want you always grant my wish. You always give me something like that. This is very good news, you know how to say. It's a luck for me that I have such a good man like you. Don't care you older than me or maybe you not so handsome. As long as your heart is really truly love me and you don't want to lose me. That's why you always try to make me happy. When I angry, I punish you, I behave like that. You just feel fine and you just do what I said, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You got the power.
What
You
the
got
fuck?
the power.
I'm Power Ranger, Wonder Woman, Superwoman.
No, I would call you Ninja Turtle.
Huh?
Ninja Turtle.
What the fuck, Ninja Turtle? What is that? You look like a turtle.
You don't know Ninja Turtle?
I don't know.
What the fuck was something PC gaming many years ago? So stupid.
Okay lah, next time lah you tell me in private. What is?
Yeah.
What the fuck now? So ugly. I'm not like this. You bully me, I punish you again.
What the fuck?
Oke, kita lanjut lagi. So, what else when I angry with you because you so annoyed, and what will I do to you? Any other punishment for you? Or maybe my behavior, can you show them how when I angry? Usually I don't want to talk with you, and how is my expression? Like little kids like that.
Oh, yes. Sometimes you behave like a little kid. Then I apologize, and your face so long, and I don't know if you know him, Pika from the Muppet Show, and that's funny. But when you're angry, this is not funny in this moment. Later, when you calm down, then we have to laugh. Both. This is what I
Yes, because you know, when I angry later, I don't answer your question. You always find an excuses. You find something to talk, and then, for example, like, about the news about the Indonesia or blah blah blah, and but I still angry with you. I annoyed with you, and then I don't answer, and then I said, don't know. I don't know, and then you just and then you find something to make me happy. You behave so funny, and then finally I am laughing. Crazy. What? What the fuck? This is really wonderful relationship between an old man and a younger woman, you know. So when we both don't feel good, you angry or I angry, so one of us is willing to be loose, and then maybe either you or me, but usually you willing to be the loser and I'm the winner. So you better keep quiet and you say I'm sorry baby, and then later I feel fine and okay, I forgive you, something like that. So this is the point that our relationship is really wonderful. So usually when they both couple is same age like that, usually always quarrel, you know. But with you an old man and I'm younger far than you, so this is something like you are fatherly, you can take care of me, you know.
The last time we quarreled a little bit. Then I asked you, wanted to change the topic, and then I asked you, I'm so shocked. I heard about an earthquake in Indonesia on Sulawesi.
I know, yes, I seen the news, but I don't know.
Your reaction to this moment, I don't care. Usually you care, but you were so angry in this moment.
Yes, because you always cheat me and you didn't do your promise. I don't like, you know. When you promise me something, you must do it. But when you can't do it, don't ever promise something to me. This is really a woman don't like, you know.
Wait, I wouldn't call it cheating. I promise you something and I don't do it. This is not cheating. I just forget it or don't do it. Cheating is...
not good, you know. Don't ever promise something when you can't do it. Better say no.
Not good, yes. But cheating is differently.
Oke lah. Nah, jadi Lur, kalau saya sedang jengkel sama dia, nanti saya cuekin dia. Saya tuh kayak anak kecil ya. Dia itu berusaha kayak bikin saya tertawa, terus ngelawak kayak gitu, terus cari-cari topik pembicaraan. Biasanya kan saya cerewet, dia itu diam aja. Dan kalau saya lagi jengkel, saya itu diam, gak mau ngomong sama dia. Dia itu cari-cari alasan gitu, cari bahan pembicaraan, kayak basa-basi gitu. Nanti tapi saya jawabannya tuh nggak tahu lah, nggak peduli lah gitu. Nanti akhirnya dia itu kayak ngelawak gitu, terus bikin saya ketawa, nggak tahan gitu. Nah, jadi hubungan gap relationship itu atau hubungan berbeda umur itu sebenarnya itu penuh warna, kayak asyik gitu. Seperti saya ini sama Kang Darman ya. Jadi dia kan lebih tua dari saya, dia itu lebih ngalah gitu orangnya. Jadi kalau saya marah, ya udah dia diem, dia ngalah. Sebenarnya ya enak gitu, lebih merasa nyaman, dia bisa jagain saya gitu, merasa dia itu kayak bapak saya gitu. Tapi kalau sesama umur, biasanya itu dari pengalaman saya yang dulu itu, kita itu malah justru bertengkar gitu, saling adu mulut gitu, salah satu nggak ada yang mau mengalah gitu. Jadi alangkah baiknya kalau cari pasangan itu cari cowoknya itu yang agak tua, bahkan itu jauh lebih tua gitu. Minimal itu selisih 10 tahun gitu ya. Ya nggak usah jauh-jauh lah, mungkin kalian nggak suka cowok terlalu tua, mungkin selisih 5 tahun lah atau 7 tahun, itu lebih baik, bisa menjaga kalian dan hubungannya itu akan selalu langgeng gitu ya, karena cowok tua itu lebih pengertian dan dia lebih mengalah gitu. Oke, penutupan video. Oke, can you tell them how wonderful is our relationship?
Oh, that's a point we just spoke. When the problem is when you have two alpha persons in one relationship, when they quarrel, then they both no one will give up. And with us is in every topic. Sometimes I say, okay, you the boss, and sometimes you say, okay, you the boss, I follow you. This is what I like, and this is what is so wonderful. No one is here the big boss and the other is the slave. This is, I like this like this.
I know, no, but mostly I become your boss. I always ask you to do this, to do that, and you always follow me. And why you can do it? Why you do it for me?
My experience when you give those advice, for example, is always positive in the past. And some things you decide more smart, I think. And then I trust in you and follow you. That's quite simple.
The answer is because I always right, and then I'm common sense and I'm smart. That's why you must follow me, because whatever that I ask you to do and my advice is always right, and this is good for you, you know. I'm crazy and silly like this, but I got common sense thinking, you know, and mature thinking that I know what should I decide to do for you or me. So always in our relationship, you know, I always something like control and adjust and do whatever for our relationship, and I always advise you something and you must follow me, because this is for good things in the future, you know. This is good for our relationship, you know. So both of us,
I don't must follow you, but I follow you with my heart.
no, listen, because our relationship is something like a one team, that supports each other, you know. When you wrong, I correct you. When I'm wrong, you correct me. But I always correct you so many times because you know you stubborn and you always argue with me. This is what make me always angry, and finally I give you punishment, you know. you like when I punish you, you know, and you remember.
Yes, you're smart, but I have a little bit more age on my
I know.
on my lifetime, and this is my experience. I want
No.
to share with you.
Do you know what is the punishment when you argue and you stubborn with me?
Yes, I know.
Tell them.
No,
What the fuck? Tell them.
no.
I will tell them. Oke, Lur, jadi kalau dia itu keras kepala dan membangkang, saya itu kasih dia hukuman, dan hukumannya itu saya bakal denda dia. 1 kali dia bantah, saya denda 10 euro. 2 kali 20 euro, dan dia suka bantah beberapa kali sampai 10 kali, jadi 100 euro. Pokoknya nanti uangnya saya tagih. Dengan begitu dia nggak pernah bantah dan dia diem aja karena dia itu selalu salah gitu. So with those punishment, you will never repeat and repeat again your mistake, and then you always listen to me and you just keep quiet. But you so stubborn, you always repeat and repeat. That's why you got to pay your fine.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Ya. Nah, oke Lur, itu kegokilan kita berdua ya. Hubungan kita itu sangat penuh warna dan lucu pokoknya ya. Jadi intinya itu, kenapa sih kok bisa Kang Darman itu nurut banget sama saya? Ya karena saya itu tegas kayak gitu. Kalau dia salah, saya itu bakal kasih dia hukuman. Dan parahnya lagi, kalau dia itu membangkang atau keras kepala sama saya bakal denda dia gitu. Jadi kalau dia membangkang banyak kali, dendanya itu banyak gitu. Dia harus bayar ke saya gitu. Ya itu dia karena tulus melakukan semua itu. Kalau dia nggak benar-benar mencintai saya, dia nggak bakal mau ngelakuin itu semua gitu ya. Jadi hal yang terpenting dalam sebuah hubungan itu serasa kasih sayang, cinta, dan ketulusan. Jadi ketika si cowok itu udah tulus mencintai kalian, dia itu bakal lakuin apapun yang kalian mau. Dia bakal ngorbanin hidupnya buat kalian gitu. Bahkan apapun yang kalian katakan, mereka pasti nurut dan denger omongan kalian gitu. Nah itulah caranya ya. Jadi bikin seseorang untuk jatuh cinta dan percaya sama kita dan nurut sama kita itu nggak gampang. Butuh proses, dan mulai dari nol sampai sekarang ya, udah berapa tahun gitu ya. Dan karena saya punya skill bacot yang gila ya, jadi dia itu ada rasa simpatik sama saya dan menaruh hati dan perasaan sepenuhnya, tulus ikhlas sama saya gitu ya. Jadi kalian harus punya skill bacot seperti saya juga ya. Oke, Lur, gak usah lama-lama ya. Itu tadi ya sekilas tentang hubungan kita berdua ya. Nah, untuk video selanjutnya kalian bisa kasih ide buat saya ya. Jadi nanti saya akan bikin videonya. Dan pembahasan kali ini sampai di sini dulu ya. Dan terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.